so glaring that your ringtone can say so much about your personality. Hello guys, this is the top 10 ringtones on Connect 360. Today we see Pharrell at number 6 from number 10. There is a rundown from 10 to 1. 10. Girl-Yo by Pato Rankin.
Girl-Yo, for so long I've been waiting, waiting for your love and your body, Come take up my money, Pretty baby, I'm me honey, We love you for a very long time. You love me when you get a dime.
9. Style by Taylor Swift.
We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair, slicked back, white t-shirt.
On number 8, it is Osset by Phyno, featuring P-Square. Number 7, Royals by Lorde.
And we'll never be royals. It's a run in our blood. That kind of luck's just ain't for us.
6, Happy by Pharrell Williams.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, take now.
5, Doro Bucci by Don Jazzy and the Maven Crew. Still on number 4 is Love Me Like You Do by Ellie Goulding.
What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Like you do. Me like you do. Love me like you do.
3, Stay With Me by Sam Smith.
Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need.
On number 2, it is Kilogwe by Sean Teasel. And finally, at number 1, it's Mark Ronson featuring Bruno Mars with the much celebrated single Uptown Funk.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
And that has been the top 10 ringtones this week. Please endeavor to visit our YouTube page at Nigeria TV and social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Nigeria TV. Have a great week.